Hey everybody, I thought I would show you today the trunk lock on this 1995 S320. I've looked on YouTube at a couple of videos and there just seems to be a lot of speculation on if the battery dies on this Mercedes, it's hard to get into the trunk. So I wanted to show you something. Like I say, this car had been vandalized before I got it, to the point, let me just show you right quick. Okay, the trunk lock is a push button. So we're just going to push and it releases. Okay, I'm going to lift the trunk up and I want to show you on the passenger side. You can see they cut all the wires. All the wires have been cut. Here's the negative cable. And they removed the battery from this car. Okay. Now, you just seen me push the button and open the trunk without the battery. Okay, so let me show you something here. Please forgive me, without the battery in here, the soft close does not work. And this car, you got to really put some pressure behind closing the trunk until I get all that stuff back to functioning. So, we're going to close it. Okay, now it is closed. And you've seen me open it by pushing the button. Now I'm going to insert the key. I'm going to turn it to the right, all the way to the right, 90 degrees. Turn it back, take the key out, and now it will not open. Okay, take the key, put it back in, turn it to the left, turn it back, take the key out, push the button, and it opens. So that's just how simple this 1995 is to open and lock the trunk, so you don't want anybody in it, but you can unlock it with the key and get into the trunk even if the battery is removed from the car. So I hope that helps with some of the superstition with this car. Check you later.